Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you know you need to engage your employees more, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you are in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop employee retention strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around till the end of the video and you can see how you can get 100 more tips like this that you can use immediately. Today's tip: be enthusiastic about your company and its future. Unless you're confident in your organization's ability to succeed, how do you expect your employees to believe that they have a future with you? It's up to you to be the cheerleader. No, not the type with pom-poms. Encourage and support your team. Cheer them on. So, how do you do that? First, broadcast good news. Create a culture where employees want to share their positive experiences instead of complaining all the time. Notice when an employee is making a difference and share that with the rest of your team. Also, encourage peer-to-peer recognition and allow time for employees to share how others have helped them. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below.